need to do following electrical connections while installation of your multi-disc screw press. The first and the most important connection which you will need to do is the main incomer connection, which will supply the power to your panel. The two connections which will be already pre-installed from factory are the screw gearbox motor connection and the flocculator agitator gearbox motor connection. The other connections which you might need to do on field are the dosing tank agitator motor, dosing pump motor and the sludge feed pump motor. The three connections can be done through the gland nut packings provided with the control panel like this. You will need to ensure whenever you do any on-site electrical connection, all the electrical cable will be terminated only using lugs. And lastly, you will need to provide earthing connection to your control panel. The earthing can be provided using a GI 25 by 5 mm gauge strip by connecting to the earthing nuts provided here and here on two sides. Thank you.